Welcome. Today we're diving into a new update on Instagram that allows you to send highlights to a group on Messenger using your PC. This is a handy feature for sharing memorable moments with friends or family without the hassle of mobile devices. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Once you're on the site, log into your account if you haven't done so already. Next, you'll want to find the profile that contains the highlight you wish to share. Enter the username of the profile in the search bar at the top of the page and click on their profile when it appears in the drop-down menu. Once you're on their profile page, look under their bio section. Here, you'll see a row of circular icons representing their highlights. Click on the highlight that interests you to open it. Now, you need to access the story associated with that highlight. In the address bar at the top of your browser, you'll see the URL for that specific story. Click on it to highlight it, then right-click and select Copy from the context menu. This action saves the link to your clipboard. With the link copied, it's time to send it to your group chat. On the left side of your Instagram screen, look for the Messenger icon and click on it. This will open your direct messages. Find and enter the group chat where you want to share the highlight link. Once inside, simply right-click in the message input area and select Paste to insert the link you copied earlier. Finally, hit Enter or click Send. Your friends will now have access to view that highlight directly from your message. And there you have it. Sharing Instagram highlights with a group on PC is straightforward and quick. Enjoy connecting with your friends over shared memories and moments.